what's up, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be another video in the kitchen, and we are going to be trying out TikTok recipe hacks, very interesting things that are not normal. I don't know what that even means, but we are going to be trying all this little stuff out. We're also going to be making a really cute, beautiful summer drink that you can make with a little bit of alcohol, or you can make it without that. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. It's gonna be a really exciting video. Also, shout out to Cellars for sponsoring this video. And if you don't know what that is, Cellars is a monthly wine subscription where you fill out a 7-question quiz and they send you wines based on your taste. So basically whatever answers you put in, they use their algorithm and they analyze it, and then they pick the best wines that you are guaranteed to like. The best part is they send them directly to your home, so you don't have to stop by the store on the way home from work or whenever. They will be right at your door. If you don't know a lot about wine, but you like to drink it, don't worry, because they give you these education cards on each wine that is in your box, so you can read a little bit and know a little bit about each wine and kind of educate yourself on the different wines. So after you receive your wines and you taste them all, you can then go into your account and rate them and review them, and then they use that information to make your next box even better. So I'm going to show you the wines that I got today. Here we have our lovely ladies in our box. So it comes with 6. I've already pulled the 3 bottom ones out, but we have 2 Sauvignon Blancs. We have a red wine here. It's a blend. And then I got 3 Chardonnays. I need to chill these. They look so yummy. And like I said, I have all my cards that tell me information on each wine. Thank you to Cellars for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to check the subscription box where you guys are getting 50% off your first box. And I will have everything linked down below. And we're just gonna pour a little bit of wine to begin our journey. Ooh. So I just switched shirts because I was wearing a white t-shirt and we're about to make some like messier food. So I was like, I just put on my old plaid shirt that I love. I've worn this in like 18 videos. If you guys are tired of this shirt, I'm sorry. Okay, so for our first one, I think Ty is gonna be really excited. We are making M&M popcorn. I saw this one on my For You feed and I saved it immediately. It had so many views and likes. And it was like a little old Southern man making his M&M popcorn. It was so cute.
This is what happens when you make M&M popcorn. We're gonna wait until we start hearing something pop. Time for some M&Ms. We're a little bit too scared to open the lid anymore. I hope it all turns out perfect. All right, folks, let's see what everybody thinks.
So we are making M&M popcorn, and we are going to drop the butter in. Ty said it looked like he put oil in. I don't know, but there were like no ingredients. He just like showed making
First of all, cheers. I love Sauvignon Blanc. Sauvignon Blanc? Sauvignon Blanc? Y'all ready to do this?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
So first, turn this on.
Okay.
So the first thing is they added in a little bit of melted butter. So
What melted?
it was melted. Ty says it wasn't melted, but I think it was. So I'm just gonna melt it just a little bit in there.
What kind of oil?
I already have it out, honey.
Oh, okay.
It's right here. Ty said it looked like they added a little bit of Crisco, so we're just gonna drop a little bit of that in. And then I already have our popcorn ready to go. It looked like about a ½ cup is gonna fit in the pan. And I got M&M minis, but we have the full-size M&Ms. He used the full-size M&Ms. Should we just use the full-size ones?
Let's do both.
No, that'd be too much chocolate.
No such thing. You ready? Let's do this.
Okay, I think this is gonna be melted. Yeah. Oh my God, I think I melted it too much. Oh God. He like poured them in together.
Everything?
Oh yeah.
Like everything? Did he have 3 hands?
Yeah. Don't put too much oil. Do the oil first.
Tell me when.
I think that's good. Ready? Yeah. And then he covered it.
Ooh, girl.
Maybe I should stir it a
Yeah, you
little.
should probably mix it around.
This is what they use.
Girl, you ain't even filming
It's
it.
so hard to
Give me
do
that.
everything. Okay, I think we're good now. Here, I'll put it in the middle. All right, put the lid on. And then you wait for it to start popping a little bit, and then you add the chocolate.
Are we doing the full size? Where are they
Do
at?
the minis.
Okay.
Do you think?
Let me see. Let me test them out.
Yeah, see how this tastes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, I haven't really made popcorn on the stove besides those pans you used
Never.
to
This
buy.
reminds me of, remember Scary Movie? The little... I'm excited for this.
We get popping.
It's popping.
It's
Let's
popping.
go. All right. What's your go? I almost got you.
But
Were you
mix
supposed
them?
to start?
Yeah,
go
you were
stir
supposed to stir. It's popping out of the pan. My God, it's like a wild, crazy
All right.
This is so cool. The chocolate's exploding.
It is. So what you're gonna want to do now is you're gonna put the M&Ms in. Can I talk to you like that all day?
Please don't. Guys, Guys.
This is exciting.
Oh my god.
Look at the chocolate explosion at the top here.
I was wondering if the minis would explode, and no problems there. They're exploding. We'll be back. I think I put too much popcorn in.
A little ASMR for a second here. It's starting to lift the lid.
Literally, the lid's coming off. The lid's coming off, though.
Wait, yeah.
Oh god. Okay, I think we're good. I think we got it.
Let it pop. This is so satisfying, by the way.
Oh my god. Okay.
It smells like a movie theater here, doesn't it?
It smells. Ty, I have so much to clean up.
Just leave it, it's fine. Let it go. Not much more is gonna pop. All right, that was a success.
And it looks just like it looked on TikTok. It's literally chocolate covered.
It kind of looks burnt, but it's like,
It looks
it's
burnt.
the chocolate. All right, it's really cool because it's multicolored in here. You see like the different colors?
The red,
The green.
Guys, this is what it looks like. We are gonna try it now.
I'll do a real chocolatey piece.
It smells good.
This is good.
Really good.
Oh my god, it's hot. I'm gonna help more hot down with.
This is probably the best one we've done.
I like this.
Yeah.
This guy's a genius.
This guy's genius. They're onto something. If you guys try this at home, be sure and tag me because I want to know what you think about this.
I found an M&M.
It was so good. And that literally took me 5 minutes to make.
It made me miss the movies right now, though. It really does.
I know.
Just the smell of it.
Yeah.
All right, what's next?
We're like eating. For our next one, we're making deep fried Oreos.
Oh, did you hear your throat? Your throat was like.
Yeah. We're making deep fried Oreos.
Put 1 cup of flour into a medium bowl, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a dash of salt, 1 cup of milk, and 1 large egg. And whisk.
Heat vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
When your oil reaches temperature, take an Oreo cookie and dip it in your batter.
Help coat it with a tiny spoon, of course. Now transfer it from the batter to your hot oil. After a couple minutes, go ahead and remove your fried Oreo and put it on paper towels to drain further. And sprinkle it with some powdered sugar.
He had like an actual deep fryer. Shockingly, I don't own one of those. We just
Wait, we have an air fryer.
No, that air fryers are like easy bake ovens.
It really is. It's heating it by a light bulb.
Yeah, we're just gonna put some Crisco in a pan and do that. So
Old fashioned, baby.
let's get started. We have the grease ready. We just put Crisco in my little cheetah frying pan, which you guys asked me where I got the cheetah frying pan.
Boy, that
and
thing's old.
baby, I bought this at TJ Maxx for probably $5.99 when I was 21 and moving out.
You ready?
All right, we have it in there. Yep, the grease is ready, sizzling. So we decided we're doing 6 of them?
6, 2 for each one of us.
Oh, that's what I need. You don't want to put too much batter.
Try not to. It's kind of hard though. Is that what he said? Don't use too much batter, or is that just your opinion?
I mean, anything you fry, you don't want to put too much batter. You think it's going to taste better, but it really just falls off in the pan and makes a mess. Oh my gosh, it is like fluffing up. I'm going to use this to give it. Oh, Ty, look at this one. It's like perfect.
Whoa, it's like a pancake.
It does. It's like a little pancake. It's literally perfect. I think we pretty much just made pancake batter. They're browning, golden up perfectly. Guys, they brown up really quick, so just a warning. I'm about to get popped. Are you still eating the popcorn?
It's so good.
It's addictive. Flip her.
Wow, look what you get.
Guys, this literally took no time, didn't it? Probably less than 10 minutes. So I definitely think this guy right here. Oh yeah, they're done. He said, obviously anything you fry, you want to put on a paper towel. All right, so now we're gonna give them a little press with a paper towel and make sure we get the excess grease off, which doesn't seem like there's that much. They smell delish. I can't remember, but I feel like he added confection sugar.
Well, if not, this is what we're doing.
I agree.
You're gonna be very liberal.
It's like a Oreo funnel cake.
It really is.
But we can make a funnel cake with the rest of the batter. Oh. Yum. Okay, taste test time. Actually, he did put confectionate sugar in the video on, so
Great minds think alike.
we're each, they're not that hot.
No?
No.
We'll take this
It's
one.
like a pancake Oreo.
It really is. It's very interesting. Cheers.
Are we ready? Oh, that's good.
Oh, wow. It tastes like a funnel cake.
It tastes like a funnel cake with Oreo filling.
Holy crap.
It's so good.
This guy just invented something
Thoughts?
next level.
I like it. I think it's really good. It's not what I was expecting, but I think it's even better than what I was expecting.
It's definitely better than what I was
Better.
expecting.
The
Way better.
Oreo's like kind of melted.
The Oreo, literally, did you see that? It like melts.
So it's like a nice like funnel cake pancake, and then you just have like the taste of Oreo.
Oh my
Y'all gonna have to get
God.
them away from me.
That is so good.
That's really good.
That's too good.
Oh my God, you guys, if y'all don't make this,
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go ahead and say it's the best one.
This
even though
is-
this is like the
this
third
might be the popcorn.
second one. Oh, it beats the popcorn, hands down.
It's so good. I see why people deep fry these now.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna come down here at midnight, so we're gonna have some fried Oreos.
What did we make one time that tastes like fish?
That was the cookie in the jar, or the cake, or the whatever, yeah, cookie in a jar. This don't taste like fish, honey. We done figured out the good TikTok.
Goodness. I'm going in for number 2 here. Probably shouldn't.
No, it's so good.
Oh my.
Oh my God, with milk, not the milk,
Are you gonna dip it in milk?
not the milk. Dip it in milk, tell me.
It's
Better on
without
it.
milk.
It's better without milk. Well, guys, we have had another extremely successful.
That's a win.
That is like the biggest win ever.
Get this away from me.
If you guys make this, tag me.
I
Also,
just said it.
maybe tag the person who created it. But I just want to see your thoughts more so than, you know, anything. I just want to see what you think.
And it's so easy.
Like, do you like it as much as me? It was so easy. It took like 10 minutes. So our next 2 are drink ones. One's involved coffee. One involves coffee. Let me say that again.
You okay?
Our next one are drinks ones. One involves a coffee drink and one is like a summer little slushy type of
Okay.
unicorn drink. It's gonna be so cool, especially if you have kids or maybe if you just wanna have a fun drink yourself. So we're gonna do the coffee drink and then we'll move on to the next. Alrighty, for our next one, we are going to add 2 Oreos, marshmallows,
Boom.
hot milk, right?
Yep, hot milk.
This is hot milk.
And then I think it said to stir it.
It said 1 cup of hot milk. Yep. Then you stir it to kind of break down melt all this together. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Oh yeah, it's really melting it too. Then they drizzled in a little bit of coffee.
Okay, okay.
I'll hold the spoon for you. Here, let's do this side. They drizzled the coffee in. Ooh, ooh.
It is spilling everywhere.
Should you put
More?
more? Yeah, I think more.
This cup is not designed for pouring, y'all.
Okay, well, we got that. And then they did a little bit of chocolate sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh, she put it on the rim to make it look aesthetic. And then we
they
made
did
our own
whipped cream. We didn't have any, so we just made our own.
Wow.
Ours looks like trash.
Ours looks like the nailed it version.
Oh my gosh. You know
What is
what?
Ah!
No. Look at that. Look at that beauty and
Oh, you're
grace.
trying it, Laura.
I don't drink too much coffee, but you know what? I'll let Ty try it first.
There's not a lot of coffee in there.
Yeah, it's not, but it looks like theirs, so
Okay.
it's really hot because the milk and all was hot. Yeah, it's a disaster.
It is a war zone.
Apple tea.
On apple teeth. It's really good. It tastes like just a very sweet coffee drink. Like a very wintertime drink. What do you think?
It's delicious. Like I would drink this whole thing.
Would you? Do it.
Yeah.
Do it then.
Do it. It's delicious, truly. It may look like trash. The Nesquik really makes it good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't have too much sugar today, y'all. Y'all better be prepared to deal with me because I ate all the sugar. But, you know, it's a little harder to make as clean as they made it, but it tastes delicious. So,
I give it a 7 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
your mustache says different. I give it an 8 out of 10 because the taste is shockingly delish.
Uh-huh.
So now we are gonna move on to our final drink, which is so easy but really cool looking. So let's get started.
I'll be here.
All right, guys, for our last and absolute favorite food hack from TikTok, what you do is you put pink lemonade, we just use this one right here, this is what it looks like, and blue Gatorade, and you make ice cubes out of them. So we kind of already did that. Magic!
Easy.
We made them. I love how one turned out purple because I accidentally spilled both into one. So anyways, we're making a unicorn drink. We didn't have a huge glass, so we just have the small one. So what you want to do is layer your ice cubes. So Ty is going to layer blue, blue, and then pink. And then this looks so cute already, but what you're gonna do, oh, I need another Sprite. I'll pour all of this in. You just fill it up with Sprite. Also put rosé in here, I think.
Oh, that would be cool. Rosé, because it's pink.
And then you just wait on the ice cubes to melt, and what they do is they start to melt, and then the bottom of your drink turns purple. So what you want to do now is just wait, and as the ice cubes melt, the bottom of your drink kind of turns purple, and yeah, we just kept adding until the Sprite got too full.
And let's show you the final result.
So here's the thing, I wanted to make a TikTok.
So Laura made it TikTok.
I already made it. So guess what? You guys get to see the final result instantly. How cool. We just added a little paper straw, which made it look even more purple. And it just looks like cotton candy clouds are floating in your drink.
It tastes so good.
It tastes so good.
The drink is really good.
Super sugary. It's really good.
Yeah, definitely sugary.
And it has all the fizzies in it, so I really like that. Yeah, that one was one of my favorites and like turned out so cute. But they were all kind of my favorite because there's nothing that didn't work. However, last time we had a bunch of stuff that didn't work.
We're done.
Please stop doing dishes.
I've had enough. We're done. Clean it up.
Okay. Well, we're done, guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Oh, Aaron, what do you think about this?
Later.
Scrumdiddlyumptious.
There you have it. You heard it here first. Don't forget to check out Bright Cellars in the description box right down below for 50% off your first 6 bottles of wine. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and we'll see you in
our next video. Your next video. Come on.
Bye, guys.